Curious about rosemary essential oil? Rosemary essential oil is more than a fragrant herb. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, including its numerous uses, benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine for better health and well-being. Let's get started. Rosemary, a woody perennial herb, is native to the Mediterranean region. It thrives in warm, sunny climates of countries like Spain, France, and Italy. While it's traditionally associated with the Mediterranean region, rosemary is cultivated in various parts of the U.S., particularly in states with warm, dry climates that mimic the herb's native environment. Rosemary essential oil has a strong, fresh, and herbaceous aroma. The scent is often described as woody, evergreen-like, and slightly medicinal. It has a sharp, invigorating quality with a hint of camphor, which gives it a crisp, clean smell. Some people also detect subtle undertones of mint or eucalyptus. The process of making rosemary essential oil begins with careful harvesting of the plant's leaves and flowering tops. These are collected when the plant is at its peak, usually during the late spring or early summer when the essential oil content is at its highest. Once harvested, the rosemary is taken to a distillery where the essential oil is extracted through a process called steam distillation. This involves passing steam through the plant material, which releases the essential oil. The oil is then separated from the water and collected, resulting in pure, concentrated rosemary essential oil. Now that we know how rosemary essential oil is made, let's explore its many uses. Number 1. Aromatherapy. Rosemary essential oil is widely used in aromatherapy due to its purported numerous mental benefits. Here's how it can be beneficial. Mental clarity and focus. Rosemary oil is known for its ability to enhance cognitive function and increase alertness. It's often used to help with concentration and mental fatigue. Mood enhancement. The uplifting scent of rosemary can help improve mood and combat feelings of depression or emotional fatigue. To use in aromatherapy, add a few drops of rosemary oil to a diffuser to disperse its scent throughout the room. Number 2. Hair care. Rosemary essential oil is renowned for its benefits in hair care. When diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, it can be massaged into the scalp to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. It's especially effective in helping to treat dandruff. It contains compounds like carnosic acid, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties are believed to protect hair follicles from damage and promote a healthier scalp environment, which could help reduce hair loss and encourage hair growth. Rosemary oil has been shown to improve blood circulation when applied to the scalp. Improved blood flow can stimulate hair follicles and deliver more nutrients to the scalp, potentially leading to increased hair growth. The antioxidants in rosemary oil can protect against free radical damage, which can affect the health of the hair follicles. Rosemary oil's antimicrobial and antifungal properties can help combat dandruff, which is often caused by an overgrowth of yeast on the scalp. Its anti-inflammatory effects can reduce scalp irritation, which may help alleviate itching and flakiness associated with dandruff. Note, as with any essential oil, It's important to dilute rosemary oil before applying to your skin or scalp to avoid irritation. Number 3. Skincare. Rosemary essential oil is commonly used in skincare products due to its beneficial properties. It's known for its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects, which can help improve skin health in several ways. Acne treatment. Rosemary essential oil can help reduce acne by killing bacteria on the skin and reducing inflammation. Anti-aging. Its antioxidant properties can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Improves circulation. Rosemary oil is believed to stimulate blood circulation, which can improve skin tone and complexion. Moisturization. It can help maintain moisture in the skin, making it look more radiant and hydrated. Soothing. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for soothing irritated or sensitive skin. It's essential to dilute rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil before applying to the skin, as it can be potent and may cause irritation if used undiluted. Number 4. Massage. Rosemary essential oil is often used in massage therapy. Here's how it may help. Anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary essential oil can reduce inflammation in muscles, which is often a cause of pain and discomfort. Improves circulation. By stimulating blood flow, rosemary oil helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscles, speeding up recovery and reducing stiffness. Muscle relaxation. The oil can help relax tense muscles, making it useful for treating muscle cramps and spasms. To use rosemary essential oil in a massage, it's important that it be diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and massaged into the affected area. Number 5. Natural cleaning. Beyond personal care, rosemary essential oil is a fantastic addition to your natural cleaning routine. Here's how it can be used in natural cleaning. Deodorizer. The fresh herbal scent of rosemary helps neutralize odors, leaving your home smelling clean and pleasant. Mix 10 to 15 drops of rosemary essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Add a teaspoon of witch hazel to help the oil disperse in the water. Shake well and spray around the room to freshen the air. Grease cutter. When combined with other natural ingredients, like vinegar or baking soda, rosemary oil can cut through grease and grime on surfaces. You can create a simple, all-purpose cleaner by mixing 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 10 to 15 drops of rosemary essential oil. The mixture can be used to clean countertops, sinks, and other surfaces. Just shake well before use and spray on the surface and then wipe clean. Number 6. Culinary. Finally, rosemary essential oil can be used in cooking, but it must be used with caution. It's highly concentrated. Here are some tips on using rosemary essential oil in cooking. Flavoring. Rosemary essential oil has a strong aromatic flavor similar to fresh rosemary. It can be used to flavor meats, sauces, soups, and roasted vegetables. Concentration. Because it's so potent, it's crucial to start with a very small amount, usually just 1 drop, and adjust to taste. A drop or two can be added to cooking oils or herbs to infuse dishes with deep, earthy flavor. Just remember that it's highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. It's often best to dilute it with a carrier oil or a liquid ingredient before adding it to a dish. Safety. Ensure that the rosemary essential oil you use is food grade. Not all essential oils are safe for consumption, so it's important to choose one specifically labeled for culinary use. Substitution. If a recipe calls for fresh or dried rosemary, you can use rosemary essential oil as a substitute. Typically, 1 drop of rosemary essential oil can replace 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary or a tablespoon of fresh rosemary, but adjust based on taste. Using rosemary essential oil in cooking can enhance the flavor of your dishes, but it requires careful handling due to its strength. Safety precautions. As with any essential oil, it's recommended that you consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your wellness routine, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health condition. Essential oils can be potent, so it's important to dilute them with a carrier oil and to perform a patch test before use on your skin. Use sparingly at first if you have sensitive skin. Keep it away from your pets and out of reach of young children. Don't use it if you have previous allergic reactions to essential oils. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Rosemary essential oil is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their wellness routine with natural, effective solutions. What is your favorite way to use rosemary essential oil? Let us know in the comment sections below. And don't forget to subscribe to Calm Vibes Utopia for more tips on living a calm and balanced life. Thanks for watching.